Toddler food, crab meat asparagus pasta. Hi, I'm Novena, the Chinese medicine practitioner. I will demonstrate how to make this delicious meal for toddlers aged 12 months and up. It's balanced in nutritional food groups and contains low salt and high fiber. It has a neutral nature and is suitable for most toddlers with any type of body constitution, except for those with seafood allergies. The ingredients are Perilla leaf, asparagus, whole wheat fusilli pasta, crab meat, black pepper, Parmesan cheese, and cooking oil. A complete list of ingredients with quantities can be found in the description box below. Perilla leaf, 紫蘇葉, is used in Chinese herbal medicine to remove dampness and coldness. In particular, it has an antidote effect to dampness resulting from seafood consumption. It also has a beautiful aroma, so I'm incorporating it into this dish. Chop the perilla leaf into a fine mince. I'm using deshelled and boneless crab meat to save time. Marinate it with the perilla leaf and black pepper for 20 minutes. The cold nature of crab meat paired with the warm nature of perilla leaf makes them a perfect match. Boil the fusilli pasta for 15 minutes until softened. While waiting, chop the asparagus into small pieces. Then boil the asparagus separately for 10 minutes. Asparagus is cool-natured. It has an antidote effect to stagnant qi resulting from meat consumption. Cut the pasta into smaller pieces. Now the ingredients are ready, heat cooking oil in a pan. Cook the crab meat for 5 minutes. Add the asparagus, mix well, then add the fusilli and keep stirring. Finally, distribute Parmesan cheese on top. The crab meat asparagus pasta is complete. Cook and enjoy this healthy meal with your child. You can also cook other types of seafood, such as lobster or scallop, with the perilla leaf and asparagus. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'm Novena, the Chinese medicine practitioner. Please subscribe for more videos.